In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed Google Forms in an email. By the end, you'll know how to let people start answering your form right from their inbox, which can boost response rates and make the process feel effortless. First, open the Google form you want to share. Make sure your questions are finalized, your required fields are set, and any confirmation messages or settings are ready. It's always a good idea to quickly skim through the form to ensure everything reads clearly and is easy to understand. Next, look to the top right of the form editor and click the Send button. This is your sharing hub. It's where you'll choose how the form gets to your audience, whether by email, link, or other options. From the Send window, select the envelope icon to choose the email option. This tells Google Forms you want to send your form via email rather than just sharing a link. You'll see fields for the recipient, subject, and message. Just like a regular email, now enter the details. Add the recipient's email address in the To field, craft a concise, informative subject line, and write a short message that sets expectations. For example, mention what the form is for, approximately how long it takes, and any deadlines. Keep your tone friendly and clear. If you are emailing a group, double-check that you are addressing the right audience and that the message feels relevant to them. Before you send, look to the bottom right of the dialog and check the box labeled Include Form in Email. This is the crucial setting that embeds the first part of your form directly into the email body. When available, it helps people start answering immediately. Note that some question types or certain settings may limit this option, and some email clients may still open the full form in a browser. That's normal. Recipients who can't complete it in their inbox will be taken to the full Google form automatically. Once everything looks good, click Send. Your recipients will receive the email with the form embedded when supported. And all responses will be captured in Google Forms as usual. You can view them in the Responses tab or connect the form to a spreadsheet if you want deeper analysis later. That's it. You've embedded a Google form in an email, making it easier for people to respond quickly and accurately. Thanks for watching.